Did you know your video has less than 3 seconds to grab attention on YouTube? Before anyone hears your intro or sees your editing, they see your thumbnail. This tiny image is the biggest factor in whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Many creators spend hours on their videos but only minutes on thumbnails, a huge mistake. Your thumbnail is your video's invitation. If it's boring or unclear, viewers won't even consider your content. On a platform with millions of videos, you can't afford a weak first impression. Your thumbnail is a promise, a billboard, your one shot to stand out. YouTube's algorithm tracks click-through rate, how many people click after seeing your thumbnail. A high CTR tells YouTube your video is interesting, so it gets shown to more people. The journey to more views starts with that small, powerful image. Let's unlock the secret power of thumbnails and turn them into your channel's secret weapon. Think of YouTube as a massive bookstore. Your thumbnail is the cover that makes people stop. In a sea of videos, your thumbnail must be vibrant and intriguing to catch attention. It's your 24/7 salesperson, convincing viewers to watch, no breaks, no salary. If your thumbnail is blurry or dull, your salesperson is failing, no matter how great your video is. The YouTube homepage is a busy highway of billboards, only the boldest get noticed. Your thumbnail must be clear and eye-catching, even at tiny sizes on mobile. Many creators design for big screens, but forget about mobile viewers. Don't make that mistake. No clicks means no views, and a low click-through rate stops your channel's growth. By focusing on compelling thumbnails, you take control of your success. Give your videos the best chance to be seen and build the community you want. Your thumbnail is your first, and sometimes only, chance to make the sale. Make it count. What makes someone click? It's all about psychology. First, emotion. Faces showing excitement, surprise, or joy instantly connect with viewers. Next, color. Bright, high-contrast colors grab attention and stand out from YouTube's interface. Avoid dull or dark colors, use bold hues and clear, easy-to-read text. Curiosity is key. Ask a question or show an incomplete image to spark intrigue. Create an information gap that viewers want to fill by clicking. Add a few powerful words, no more than 5, in a bold font for context. Words like secret, warning, or how-to can boost clicks. The winning formula: emotion, color, curiosity, and concise text. Master these, and your thumbnails will be irresistible. Let's see this in action. Imagine a video called "How to Bake the Perfect Chocolate Chip Cookie." A bad thumbnail? A blurry random frame, no emotion, dull colors, no story. A good thumbnail? A close-up of a golden cookie, chocolate chips melting, bright lighting. Add your smiling face in the background. Now there's emotion and trust. Use bold text like "perfect cookies" or "my secret recipe," short, clear, and promising. Boost the colors so the cookie pops. The difference is night and day. One is forgettable, the other, irresistible. The good thumbnail tells a story in a glance and promises value. This simple change can mean the difference between 100 views and 10,000. Design with intention and watch your results transform. Ready to level up? Here's how to make better thumbnails, starting now. Plan your thumbnail before you finish editing. Capture the most exciting or emotional moment. Take a high-quality photo just for the thumbnail, using good lighting. Keep it simple. Use a clean background and bold, readable text. Test your thumbnail at a tiny size. If it's unclear, simplify it. Use free tools like Canva to design professional thumbnails quickly. Study top creators in your niche. Learn, don't copy. Challenge. Update the thumbnails on your 3 worst performing videos and watch what happens. Don't aim for perfection, just keep improving. Your first good thumbnail will already be a huge step up. Share your biggest thumbnail struggle in the comments below. Let's help each other grow.